Whoa, 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 whoa. Dollars, dollars, circulate. Dollars, circulate. Dollars.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So if you're new, please hit on the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi and welcome. So today we will be doing the high sleek side fringe ponytail. So first off, I'll be using the Eco Styler gel and my water bottle, so you can use any gel of your choice. So I'm gonna first start with sectioning my hair. So as you can see, I have very thick hair and it becomes really impossible trying to put the product all in one go, so it's just best to section the hair first before applying product onto my hair. So I am going to start with sectioning my hair from the point where I would like my bun to be. So this depends entirely up to you on how you would like, on how high you would like your ponytail to be or how low you'd like your ponytail to be. So I like mine really high, so I've sectioned it a bit higher. So I am going to start with spraying the water bottle onto my hair to soften my hair, and then I am going to apply the gel and go ahead with the brush. So I first section the hair as I'm doing on the video, and then once I'm done with sectioning the hair, I spray the water bottle. So this is to make sure that my hair is a bit damp and the gel gets to sit properly onto my hair. So if you do not have a hairbrush, you can use your comb, it shouldn't be a problem, but you need to make sure everything is sleeked down, right? So after opening each and every section, I'm gonna untie the bun and add that section that I've just styled. So as you can see, I'm applying water first onto the hair to make it a bit damp and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the brush to make sure everything is sleeked down. So initially this hairstyle was supposed to be a high ponytail bang. However, my scissors are not as sharp as I want them to be, so I wasn't quite sure if it's gonna come out the way I wanted it to come out looking like. However, I'm still happy with these results because it came out looking proper, so I'm not complaining about that. So yeah, you just need to make sure that your hair is thoroughly combed through or thoroughly brushed through to make sure there are no lumps and everything sleeks down in position. made sure that everything is sleeked down and in position and how we would like it to be, we are going to go ahead and put on our head wrap. So I had mine overnight, but if I were to do this hairstyle during the day, I would have it on for a good 4 hours. This depends on how thick your hair is and on how long it takes for yours to dry. So with me, it would normally take 4 hours, and this is how it came out looking like. So I am using this bonding hair. I will try and find the name of this brand because this is from an old weave that I had, and I just thought to myself, instead of just throwing it away, why not try to find ways that I can use it for my channel. So I then washed the hair and then deep conditioned it, and then straightened it, and this is how it came out looking like. So I'm just circulating this hair onto my hair bun, and then I am going to use bobby pins to secure the bun, right? So if you don't have bobby pins, you can use a headband. So also, if you don't like being extra or too much, this can be the look for you. Just a high sleek ponytail, and that's it. So this is my this is going to be the attachment for the side fringe. But as I said, if you don't want to attach that and you're just good with how this look looks, that's fine, completely up to you. But I like some extraness, so I decided to add on the side hair. So I then went ahead to put on my hairband to attach it to the ponytail. However, I would advise, if you do have bobby pins, start first with securing them with bobby pins and then put on your hairband later on or afterwards. So that's what I did. I attached it, used the hairband to attach it to my ponytail and made sure that it is secure, and then I went ahead to use bobby pins. Alright, so after making sure that the side hair is attached to the bun, I then went ahead to take my ponytail and put it on a twist and then rolled it around the bun. So this is just to give it that high look. So I just rolled it around my bun, and then I went ahead and secured it with the bobby pin. If you don't have, like I said, you can just tuck it under your hairband. So yeah, guys, I then went ahead to lay my edges with the Got2b gel. This is totally optional. If you're not that person, no need. If you are like me, you can do it. And yeah, this is it for the look, guys. If you watched my video till this far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.